Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to turn off stock lending on Fidelity. So, you can contact Fidelity's security lending services team to actually request that the loan be recalled, okay? The stock lending. So, what you can do is you can sell the shares on loan. Okay, this will automatically terminate the loan. You can sell the securities. Or you can terminate itself, and once the loan is terminated, you'll stop receiving loan interest. And if you want more information, you can always visit Fidelity's website, or you can call their securities lending services team at 877-793-8872 between 8:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. EST. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped. Make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.